Let's go. I did all my pre-trip already, except this. I didn't check the car charger, phone charger. So it should light up, but for some reason it doesn't light up in the morning, or it doesn't charge in the morning. We'll see it later. We'll check on it later. I have another USB port right here, but other than that, we're ready to go. Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big at work. Labor Day weekend is upon us. It's rearing its head right behind me, so I gotta finish my route, get out of here with the help of Jesus, of course, and start my weekend, because we need to have a lot of fun this weekend, because next week is going to be hectic. We're gonna run one day behind the whole week, so we start our week on Tuesday to Saturday. It's gonna be running heavy the whole week, so that's gonna be crazy. All right, let me turn off my PTO, get my seatbelt on, and let's get out of here. It's still dark out. Slow because there's a lot of drivers walking to their trucks. Watch for pedestrians and vehicles, of course. There goes Republic. Later, my guy. Vámonos. Shout outs to you for watching this video. Thank you very much. And shout outs to Jesus. Don't forget to drop a like. What will you be doing this long weekend? If you have a long weekend. Some people are still working, but for me, it's gonna be a long weekend. I'm off Saturday through Monday, heading to Vegas. My wife and I are gonna take the homies to Vegas. My homies are my kids. Plenty of Vegas content coming up. Balling on a budget. Time to pick up my first can. Neutral, parking brake, hazard lights, PTO, on auto pack. It's heavy today, so every one can we're gonna pack it. Let's see. Step off the truck. Heart lock, unlock, yeah, line it up. Let's see if I can reach it. Let's do it. I think I'm gonna be able to get it. Oh, I did it. Good job. Voila. 100,000 more to go. Just kidding. And adjust the mirror all the way to the right and all the way down. There you go. Now I'm ready. Next one. Pre-grip. Line it up. Pick it up. All right. Packer is working. Traffic. I need to work my way to the left. We got ourselves a damaged can, guys. Look at that. It digs into the can and won't gets stuck. And some of the trash is still in there. So, how to get it replaced. Let's give it another try. That's better. Voila. We have ourselves a success story right here. I've been tagging these cans 2 weeks straight. Let's collect it. Pre-grip, line it up, pick it up. They've been leaving these cans super touching each other, making it super difficult to collect when there is no need to leave them that way. There's plenty of space. And on top of that, leaning against a Mercedes or a Lexus. Today it happened to be a junker, a Corolla. It's all beaten up and whatnot, but awesome, awesome. Look at this. I'm glad they're cooperating here, and I feel like it's gonna be awesome from here on out. Good job, my guys. Pre-grip, line it up, pick it up. Oh, I think that hot dogs want me to honk. Should I do it? Let's do it. Pre-grip, line it up, pick it up. All right. So I'm over here picking up cans in an alley. Earlier I was in a different alley. I had issues with the U-Haul truck that was not moving things in or out. It was just parked. Waited for or honked for about 5 minutes. Then they had to back down all the way. So now we have two vehicles. That one I can squeeze by, but on the way back, if you can see, it might be in the way. I won't have enough clearance to pick up the can, so I need clearance to not only just squeeze by, but work the arm. See this? That's way wider than my truck, so I need some clearance. That truck up ahead for sure is gonna be in my way. Let's give it a shot. And the U-Haul that was in my way, I was heated, but I didn't get off the truck or anything. I was just, you know, in myself, here in my truck, just heated, because it took them so long. And then, as you can see, here's another one. Here comes Hot Dog, mouthing. You know, I'm the jerk, I guess, because I'm making a move. He can mouth all he wants. Let's see. Let's bet 10 bucks not that he's gonna park his truck right away when I leave, and I have to come back on the other side. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Hot Dog went around, came behind me. He was thinking of parking back over there, again, and he got smart. He figured it out that I was gonna make a U-turn and come back and get to his side. Pre-grip, line it up, pick it up. We're almost done, my guys. We got ourselves a challenge, guys. You see that? Try and pick it up without dropping anything. All right, survived so far. Woo! All right. I see a hot dog. Hey, oh my God. Grip, line it up, pick it up. What? Shout outs to Recycling and Auto Car right there. We're finally done, my guys. 3-day weekend is upon us. At least for me. Shout outs to Republic. There's a yard right there. Don't forget to hit the like button. Oh, Athens. My bad, Athens. That's Recycla. LA Danny out. Left or right? Let's park on the left. Bonus! Let's do a little bit of a post-trip inspection. Front tires, no less than 430 seconds of tire tread. They're brand new. Lug nuts, tight and secure, none of them look loose, damaged. Coolant, awesome level. Power steering, awesome level. Clean out area. A little bit of water, can't do anything about that. We call it trash juice. Heart lock, arm lock, cart stoppers. Sometimes they go missing. Part of the slowdown bar. All bolts on the clamps, 3 of them. Cart lock. We're going to unlock it because we're going to have to check the mechanism, make sure it's working properly and it's not leaking. Hydraulic fluid level, awesome. No leaks. All lights working. Tire thread back, no less than 230 seconds of tire thread. Lug nuts. Tight and secure, no rust, no flat tires. Nope. Tire thread is awesome as well. In between the dualies, no garbage, no trash, no foreign objects. Lights working. All doors are secure. Awesome. Pin is in place, green, level, fuel, good amount of fuel, 2,400 pounds, not bad in the clean out area, and checking the tire, And the lug nuts, no flat tires. So check that. Headlights working. Check out the wear and tear on the wiper blades. Get all the dust off. And no leaks under the truck. Just a little insight. There's a lot more, but this is where I say bye.